guys, what up? It's Lucas here again, bringing you guys another how-to video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace your DVD drive in your Xbox 360 if you're commonly getting like the error saying like you can't read discs and stuff. And it's happened to me a lot because I flashed my drive and it wasn't reading the game. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to need two drives, you know, your old one, and you're going to pick up a new one. I got mine off eBay, got two for around 35 bucks with shipping, and they're going to want to need to be the same model. So if you have a Hitachi, you're going to need a Hitachi. If you have a BenQ, you're going to need a big BenQ, and Samsung, etc. So you're gonna go ahead and need the both the drives whenever you get the other one in mail, or if you already have it in another Xbox. Basically, what you're gonna be doing is transferring the insides of your old Xbox that's not working, of the old drive, into the new good drive that you just recently purchased, or if you already have it. So I already have mine unscrewed, so I'm gonna take it apart. This is my new drive though, okay? Just so you guys know, this is the new one. So it's really easy to get apart once you have it unscrewed. Back here by your SATA and data connections, just pull this back part off. Alright, just like this, and pry that open. Alright, now basically here, this is all the guts right here. As you can see, this is your whole circuit board with all these tabs. I'm gonna go through and show you which tabs you're gonna need to pull. They're real easy. As you can see how they're all highlighted in blue on top of them. So you're gonna need to pull all three of these. Don't touch this middle one though, okay? This is a big thing. Do not touch that one. So go ahead and pull the left one, and then pull the right one. Just wiggle them back and forth. You're not gonna pull real hard. And then if you look right here in the right corner, this little black tab, you go ahead and push this over to the right. Alright, push it over to the right and just pops the whole DVD drive up like that. Now you don't want to rip it up, which you don't really matter because it's your old board. This is your new board anyway. This doesn't have none of the KVs or anything from your good Xbox. So just be careful with it. You don't want to mess it up anyways. So as you can see, you get a tab right here on this left side. Go ahead and bring it a little closer. You got a tab right here. And go ahead and just wiggle this one up. Alright. I'm going to get a better view of this right now. So you went ahead and you do all three. You got this tab off, and you got the left tab off too. Now you have one tab that's sort of hidden, and it's right here on the back side, underneath the board. So I'm gonna view this. Alright, that tab right there runs to the lens. And you would be real careful not to mess the lens up. So what you need to do is take the top part of this disk drive off, take this off. Alright, put the camera back down, and show you guys what to do. So this is your front of your drive right here. Just pry the top of this open. Be real careful. You don't want to try to break nothing. Alright. That. Go ahead and set this aside for right now. Alright, here's inside the drive right now. As you can see, the lens dash lasers right there. Do not mess with that at all. You do not want to touch that. Alright, so just go on and pop your drive up like this. Alright, so when you probably get your new drive, your laser's probably gonna be up here. Just go ahead and push it down a little bit. Well, not that hard, but push it down. And go ahead, as you can see, you can go ahead and access the little tab right here. Go ahead and wiggle that back and forth. Real easy. You might need to use two hands. So go ahead and hold this, wiggle up. There you go, and you get it out just like that. So basically, there's your drive right here. This is your good drive with all the good parts in it and the good laser in it. So you go ahead and set this aside. Now I'm gonna go get my old drive, the non-working drive that got all the errors and disk errors, and go ahead and take that one apart. I'm gonna do the same exact thing I did this. Take the circuit board off of it, and then I'll be back in a sec. Alright, you guys. So this is my new DVD circuit board I just took out of my good drive. I have my good drive case and cover sitting over there, just not getting anything confused. I moved that over, but that's this is my good circuit board that I just took out. Make sure you have them marked in what sort of way, that way you don't get them mixed up and waste your time. So I set my other one aside. I just took this one apart just to save some extra time, and I'm gonna go ahead and install it to my good drive that has all the good parts in it. I'm saying good parts, just not make it so technical and stuff. But alright, this right here is a little complicated. I'm not gonna try to make it too complicated, but alright, you want to be real careful with the laser. You don't want to damage it anyways. So what I'm going to do is go and flip the drive over. Alright, just to install this one tab. This is the hardest tab right here to install, this one right here. Alright, so I may be moving the disk drive or anything, just follow as I do. Got the main tab in. I went ahead and skipped past that. It took me some time, probably about 5 minutes. So go ahead and take your time and put that main tab in. As I did, I went ahead and put the drive up, and then I propped it up and put the circuit board in the back just so I could see the tab through. So alright, next step you're going to do Alright, as you can see, there's the board right here. You can go if you want to, go ahead and clip it in to where it actually holds in place. But before you clip it in, go ahead and put your green tab that's on the left side of the board. Go ahead and just push that in with your thumb. Very easy, don't apply no pressure. Alright, and then on the right side, go ahead and just push that tab in. I just messed up, so that's one mistake right there. Go ahead and make sure when you push this tab in, you have it lined up on the left side. So line it up on your left side first. Alright, then just push it in, it'll pop right in. Alright, then go ahead and line up all your blue tabs. Don't mess with this middle one, that one's already stuck there. So go ahead and do your left one. Your right one. Alright, make sure they're both snug in there. Alright, that's good. So now I'm going to come back here in a second, put this drive all back together in the original case I had it in, and we'll go back to the TV and see if it works. Alright, you guys, so I just got the drive back together, and as you see, you're probably wondering why the drive is blue and stuff, and it's all fancy looking. That's because of the custom drive I did, and I went in and put the original custom case that I had into here. So the good parts and everything is still inside, don't worry, it's still original. Still stuff I was working with. So let's go ahead and power the box on that I have it put together. Since I have it put together. Alright. And over here I'm going to choose a burnt game I have laying around. BioShock 2. You can probably see that the brightness is real bright in my room. But yeah, hold on. I'm going to load the game up. Open this tray. There you guys, BioShock 2. Alright, let me get a close up on this right here. Alright, still the same Xbox. Hook up to my TV. Saying reading, as you can see. And there it goes, BioShock 2. So yeah, this tutorial helped you in any ways. Please subscribe, it really means a lot to me, and plus, I took some time to sit down and help you guys out. And this isn't just to, play flash games, not to play burn games. I did this because I was getting errors of playing my real original 360 copy games, and I went ahead and replaced this drive just to be able to overall play my original games and my flash games, my burn games. So yeah, that's it. Peace, and please sub. Thanks.